Let's design a wedding invitation card online for free. To do that, go to canva.com and create account over there and just type in wedding and click wedding card. For example, you can see all the templates that you can use for your wedding card. So go over here on the left side, scroll down and click free. And now we can use, for example, this one. Let's click it, or let's choose this one. It says paid over here, but I think the paid will be the image in the background. So after you open it, click on it, click download over here, and you can see what is paid over here. So we want to delete this image like this. And if I go download, you can see that now we are clear to use it for free. So all you need to do, for example, for this card is to go to the left side on the photos and just drag and drop the image over here and change the text over here and over here, and just change the text over here, the font over here, for example, like this, and font over here to be, for example, Alice. And you have your invitation card very easily. To save it, just click over here, download, and make sure that you choose this PDF print suggested to keep the maximum quality, and just click download and print it. And this is it. Thanks for watching.